Hey everybody, this is Mr. Zelke again. I am going to walk you through a couple different hints and tips with Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program very similar to Microsoft Excel. So before I do anything else, I make sure I have a good title name, a title for the file. So I'm going to call this example. I also make a copy if necessary. I just go to File, make a copy. Okay. Now, here's how basically what the student would be doing, or your student would be doing with this, would be adding information to different cells. So this cell here is B2, C2. Okay, so basically it's just it's like Battleship using coordinates. But we're going to go through and we're going to change we're going to format the fonts and the font size along with boldface, italicize, and change the text color. So select the cell you want to change. So I'm going to change the fish. I'm going to boldface it. I'm going to make it a 14-point font. So you click on the number, bold. I have it selected. All I gotta do is select the box for this one. I'm gonna italicize it by clicking the I. I'm gonna change the color to red. And there's one more thing I'd like to do is to show you is you can, or two more things actually. You can align the information in the text box from the left, center it, or put it from the right. So we're just gonna center it. And then finally, for that cell, you can give it borders around the outside. So we're going to do that by clicking the borders button and clicking all the way around that one, the outside, and you should have borders around it. Okay, so that's how you would change something that's already there. Now say I wanted to start typing somewhere else and I already know what I want to do. So say I want to have a bold, so I click the B before I start typing. I know I want it to be 16, so I change it to 16 or 8. Let's go 18, and I want to have it a Verdana. I also want to have it centered, so I go to my alignment button and click center, and whatever I'm typing, I can start type by double clicking the box. I can start typing, or I can put it in this bar here. So I'm just going to put yellow, and it's typing the changes that I want. Now, say I want to put a border around that, I would just select it, click the border button, look at the options, click the button. Now, say I want to put a border around multiple cells at one time. So say I have this 534, I want to put a border around that one along with the one to the left. Select what I want, just click and drag, just like we've been doing. Click the border button again. Now there's different options here. If I want to do all the way around both of them, I would just click this button here. But there's different options you can try. And I click, and then I'll have borders around those two. So there's just, you can mess with those to change them how you want them depending on the assignment. So that's just a quick overview of how to navigate through Google Sheets, which is similar to Excel. If you have experience with Excel, you'll catch on to this pretty quick. For purposes of my class, we'd be making tables and putting data and labels on the tables. Okay, if you can think of anything else that you'd like to learn, please let me know, and we'll talk to all of you soon.